Have you ever wondered who really runs the stock market? It's not some secret society or a crazy algorithm. Nope, it's seven companies, seven absolute titans of technology whose combined power can literally move the entire market. Welcome to everything you need to know about finance.
Okay, before we really get into it, just a quick heads up, this is purely an informational deep dive. It is definitely not financial advice. We're here to break down the what and the why, not to tell you to buy or sell. And hey, if you find this kind of stuff interesting, do us a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It seriously helps us keep making these explainers for you.
So, who are they? The Magnificent Seven. And this isn't just some cool nickname, it's a testament to their power. We are talking about Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla. Their influence is so huge that the performance of big indices like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq often just comes down to what these seven stocks do. When they go up, the market goes up. It's that simple and honestly that staggering. All right, let's meet the members of this very exclusive club. We're going to do a quick rapid-fire round to see what makes each one of them a titan in their own right.
First up to the plate, the undisputed king of the consumer ecosystem, Apple. Now, of course, the iPhone is the star of the show, but the real magic and the key to their future is the services division. Think about it, the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, these are all super high-margin recurring revenue streams. They create this powerful, sticky ecosystem where the hardware pulls you in and then the services just keep you paying. That's the formula that has propelled them toward an insane $4 trillion valuation.
Okay, shifting gears from consumer tech to the world of enterprise, we have Microsoft. Microsoft's transformation has been nothing short of incredible. The core business isn't just about Windows anymore. It's all about their intelligent cloud, Azure, and tools like Office 365. But the real game changer? Their partnership with OpenAI. By baking AI into all their business products, they've become the default choice for companies trying to join the AI revolution. That one strategic move is the main reason its valuation is heading for the stratosphere. And now for the company that basically monetizes our collective curiosity. Alphabet. Alphabet's whole empire is built on the rock-solid foundation of Google Search and its ad machine, with YouTube as a massive number two. But look at that primary catalyst, AI integration. For Alphabet, AI isn't just a shiny new toy, it's both a shield and a spear. They need it to make their search and ads smarter to fight off the competition, and they need it to grow their third big business, Google Cloud. Their entire future really does hinge on winning this AI race. Next up, we have the two-headed giant of e-commerce and the cloud, Amazon. There's a really fascinating dynamic at the heart of Amazon. The e-commerce side is what we all know and use. It provides enormous scale and tons of revenue. But here's the crucial part. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the real profit engine. That cloud division is so profitable that it basically funds all the innovation and low prices in the retail business. So next time you're shopping, just remember the real money is being made up in the cloud. All right, now for the company that is literally building the engine of the entire AI revolution, Nvidia. So if this whole AI boom is a gold rush, Nvidia isn't just selling the picks and shovels. No, they're selling the massive industrial-grade, high-tech mining equipment that everybody needs. Their core business is GPUs, and the demand from data centers to power AI models has been just explosive. It's catapulted their market cap to absolutely jaw-dropping heights. Every other company on this list and thousands more are all relying on NVIDIA's hardware to make their AI dreams a reality. From the hardware to the social networks, let's take a look at Meta platforms. After a very costly bet on the metaverse, Meta pulled off a remarkable comeback by getting back to basics, its core strength, advertising. Their business is that huge ad network spread across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And the key catalyst? You guessed it, AI. Meta is using artificial intelligence to make its ad targeting scarily precise and to squeeze more money out of Reels, proving that a little focus on efficiency can lead to a powerful comeback. And finally, the trailblazer of the electric vehicle revolution, Tesla. Tesla is probably the most unique member of this group. Yeah, it makes cars, but it's not valued like a traditional car company at all. Its valuation is this potent cocktail of manufacturing scale, a growing energy business, and just massive hopes for its software, especially full self-driving. It's really a bet on a future of autonomous, software-driven cars. So now that we've met all the players, how do they actually stack up against each other? Let's go to the scorecard and get a sense of their collective, mind-blowing scale. I mean, the sheer scale here is just hard to wrap your head around. We are talking about trillions with a T. But I want you to look at that price to earnings or PE ratio column. Just think of it as how much investors are willing to pay today for $1 of a company's profit. Now, look at that massive outlier, Tesla, with a PE over 273. That number tells you that investors are expecting absolutely explosive growth far into the future. It's a classic story stock, with a valuation that lives almost entirely in what's to come.
But, being a titan isn't easy. Their immense size and power come with a very unique set of challenges. Let's explore the gauntlet they all have to run.
There is this real two sides of the same coin thing going on here. On one side, you have these incredibly powerful shared growth drivers. Artificial intelligence is number one for all of them. But on the flip side, that very strength creates risk. Their dominance attracts constant attention from regulators. Their super high valuations leave basically zero room for error. And at the end of the day, their businesses are still tied to the health of the global economy. It's a constant high-wire act. So, with all these catalysts and risks in mind, where is all this headed? Let's shift our focus to the horizon and the one theme that is going to define all of their futures. So let me just ask you directly. When you think about it, what's the one common thread that runs through every single one of these companies' strategies for the next decade? The answer is artificial intelligence. Period. It's the new battleground, and it's the ultimate growth engine. From the silicon chips NVIDIA makes, to the cloud services from Microsoft and Amazon, all the way to the consumer apps that Apple, Google, and Meta build. AI is the arena where their futures and trillions of dollars in value will be won or lost. And this brings us to our final big question. The tech world is always changing, right? So as AI completely reshapes our world, will all 7 of these companies manage to stay on top? Will they all remain magnificent? Or is this massive technological shift creating an opening for a new 8th titan, just waiting in the wings to rise up and join them? If you want to understand more key topics like this one, try out our latest episodes. Thanks for tuning in.